We're here today in Stephen Ireland Astroturf Pitch. This pitch is used by 4 clubs in particular in Cobh who use the facilities, as well as school groups and other sporting groups in our town. We want to reduce people bringing single-use plastic bottles to training and to matches, because there really is no excuse when we have reusable bottles out there. And now that Cork County Council Green Hub's project has installed refill fountain for the water, it means that people can just bring their reusable bottles, and we can reduce the amount of single-use plastic bottles being used. So if parents are going along to matches, bringing their children along, and you know that you're going to be having a coffee standing at the sideline, why not bring your reusable cup? Again, you'll get discounts in a lot of shops around Cobh if you bring your reusable cup in. So the mural behind us was actually completed by an artist in Cobh, Jack Hickey, very talented artist, and this really highlights to anybody who's visiting the pitch here that there is a water refill station here.
We used to collect an awful lot of single-use bottles on a weekly basis after training and after matches, but since we brought in the water station, we've seen a massive reduction in the amount of single-use bottles, which can only be good for the environment. And hopefully once our children continue this, they might encourage the same thing at home.